The Union Cabinet under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi took a historic decision to introduce a bill in Parliament, namely Tribhuvan Sahakari University Bill 2025, to establish the Tribhuvan Sahakari University by converting the Institute of Rural Management, Anand, Gujarat. This first-of-its-kind university will help cooperative sector achieve the vision of Sahakar Se Samriddhi, promoting high-quality education, training, research and consultancy in the cooperative sector. There will be sector-specific schools in the university to cater to diverse fields like dairy, fishery, sugar, banking, cooperative management, rural credit, cooperative laws, cooperative audit, etc. The university will address the long-pending need for capacity building among employees and board members of cooperatives. It will standardize and integrate training programs across affiliated institutes, ensuring high-quality education and practical insights. The courses will be aligned with the National Education Policy 2020 to offer degrees, diplomas, and certificates to meet the needs of cooperatives, even for students as young as Class 10 pass-outs. The university will also leverage mass e-learning platforms and technology like Swayam to impart on-demand education and training. More than just an academic institution, Tribhuvan Sahakari University will foster professionalism in the working of cooperatives and enhance their productivity, thereby empowering rural India while supporting the vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. The university will be established in Anand, Gujarat on the legacy of renowned Institute of Rural Management Anand, IRMA, by converting it into the university and an institution of national importance through an Act of Parliament with a budget of Rs 500 crore for the infrastructure. And IRMA would be one of the schools of the university, and its identity and autonomy would also be preserved within the institutional framework of the university. The university will form a pan-India hub and spoke network of affiliated cooperative education and training institutes to achieve its objectives. The Tribhuvan Sahakari University will ensure an adequate and steady supply of qualified and trained manpower, professionalizing India's cooperative sector for inclusive and sustained growth. Tribhuvan Sahakari University, a foundation for shaping the future of India's cooperative movement.